How to fix Google Meet not opening problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open Play Store and then make sure your Google Meet is updated. Now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and then click display and brightness, and here click screen resolution, and just if you find it on low, just make it high, and if you found it on high, just make it low and try, because that can fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, go to battery, enable performance mode, and then apps again, and here type Meet, and now click storage and clear data, and that will fix your problem. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.